Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Rich. I hope you're doing well and this weekend is treating you well. I'm back here with Anand today and we're talking about something we've always been told that diamonds are forever. Everyone remembers that famous song from James Bond. I think it was Sherry Baisley who sang that song. And with that regard, we're talking about diamonds as an investment. We've been recently reading an article, me and Anand, about diamonds losing their allure and how diamond as an investment category is not so great anymore. And briefly, what the article was talking about, which I've got some notes on for you, is diamonds. Appeal of diamonds as an investment historically is based on a factor like cut, color, carat, and the lack of flaws. Diamonds have provided steady returns on investment, but on average annual return about 8% between 1999 to 2012. Recent times have seen significant volatility in diamond prices, with De Beers reducing the price of 2 to 4 carat uncut stones by 40%. Historically steady demand during economic uncertainties and prosperity contributed to stable diamond prices. The monopolistic supply of De Beers played a crucial role in maintaining steady price increase by creating scarcity and curbing speculation. Competition from other diamond producers like Alros had eroded De Beers' market share, reducing its control over the prices. Lab-grown diamonds, virtually indistinguishable from mined diamonds, have gained market share and priced significantly lower. De Beers' strategy for selling lab-grown diamonds at a low price to differentiate them from has backfired on them and accelerated the shift towards lab-grown stones. The widening price gap between lab-grown and mined diamonds threaten the appeal of mined diamonds from engagements. Market fluctuations such as the impact of COVID-19 on engagement rates highlight the diminishing market power of diamond cartels. The diminishing market power is also seen as good news for consumers buying jewelry, but less appealing for those considering diamonds as an investment. And it's also great news for all the third world countries, especially in Africa, which have been suffering the back of diamond and blood diamonds, which has been happening. And I thought it's great to talk to Anand about this and see the future as an investment class, precious stones, especially diamonds,
See, I have never been one of great fan of precious stones.
as an investment class.
I have never talked about it.
Yes, you never have.
And I didn't consider diamond as an investment at any time.
True.
Why? Because the allure of gold is it can be converted to cash anytime.
True.
So you don't need an expert or anything. Once you prove and give a certificate, it's done. And I don't have to wait forever. I can go to
Any gold shop.
any bank or any finance NBFC
Correct.
and convert it into money immediately.
Across the table.
Within across the table, I can get money.
Yes.
People are willing to give cash till the government put regulations.
Very true.
Then, if I'm migrating to greener pastures, I can carry the gold with me and I can restart the world there.
Correct.
So, universal fungibility of gold. That is, what is gold here is gold there, and does not require great expertise to convert to cash. And there's a scarcity. Plus, you cannot make the gold in a lab.
Very true.
So,
Alchemy of gold is still not there in grasp of
yes.
humans.
In spite of Newton, Kepler, and all the
Everybody,
greats
yes.
trying, there is no alchemy of gold.
No.
If there is an alchemy of gold, the value of gold will collapse.
Becomes zero.
It becomes zero. Overnight, it will become zero.
Yes.
In case of, and gold was never monopoly of one particular family or group. Whereas De Beers controlled diamond like a tight control.
Yes.
South Africa choked it.
Yes.
And also, pricing a diamond was a great skill.
Very true.
So no bank would give you money against it. Like
Even
I
a
told.
layman we cannot.
Nobody. And now, to make it difficult, you have lab grown diamonds. And naked eye, even the best expert has told me that he cannot make out.
Very true.
He will need a microscope to find out which is lab and which is original.
Yes.
So the supply is over.
Very true.
Anybody can grow diamond in the lab and supply basic investment if you make. You can grow diamonds in the lab.
I'm sure Tanishq will start very soon.
And you can supply it.
Yes.
If Tata's decide to manufacture
Diamonds.
and supply,
Yes.
the value of diamonds will crack.
Correct.
Therefore, as an investment category, it does not have any great value.
Very true.
It is only a form of carbon.
Very true.
So, what was natural has become, you can make it artificially. And there is no naked eye cannot make out the difference between artificial diamond and real diamond. So, as an investment class, diamond is dead and it will decline to zero.
Very true.
It will become like ruby, emerald, and all that. where you're liking that product will have a value.
Very true. You're
Your
paying more for,
appreciation,
yes, very, very true.
your appreciation of that will be the value,
Yeah.
not the physical.
Like art.
Like art, it becomes like art.
Yes.
So, and like making a lab grown diamond becomes an art.
Yes.
So,
It's more the
thousands of,
story of the diamond stone which you'll be buying.
yeah,
It was owned by someone or it was
yeah,
touched by someone.
yes, yes, yes. So, all this history, one portion of history is wiped out.
Very true.
Lot of lives have been lost to diamond.
Correct.
And the Kohinoor went from India to UK. All that will be wiped out. And now it is going to be also ran. Another, we used to collect basketball cards
Very true.
and it was very valuable. You will start, it becomes a collectible rather than it becoming value with an asset.
Yes, it's moving into the collectible segment. My question is, India has always had historically this diamond cutting, industry, where the diamonds were brought to India and famously
Especially in Surat.
we're known for cutting. So maybe 25 years from now, do you think all that will change?
There will be lack of, Surat is already struggling. And there will be lack of demand. Falling demand. The very rich will not buy unless you are fascinated.
True.
The last diamond we bought was in 1991,
Very true.
when she refers to.
Yes.
I don't think we have ever bought diamond after
No,
that.
we haven't.
I have not bought diamond.
Yeah,
I have
and
bought gold, but I have not
consecutive
bought
generations also are losing more and more are losing interest in it.
diamond. So, and wearing diamond is the only, unless you want to show off
Yes.
that I own diamonds, it is not going to be a major asset
And the
category.
show off also is because of the lack of access to it.
Yeah.
If it becomes accessible and anyone and everyone can buy
Buy
diamonds,
diamond
the show off factor also disappears.
disappears. So it becomes, like I'm saying, from a precious asset class, precious metal style asset class, like precious stones, if you consider as an asset class, from there it has moved to a collectible.
Correct.
So the beauty lies in the beholder's eyes. You cannot draw an intrinsic value.
Correct.
Mind you, gold has no intrinsic value. Only intrinsic value is shortage. If there is lab grown gold, all your gold will become zero in value.
So, do you think the days of these kind of guys like this Nirav Modi are over? So-called diamond merchants.
Definitely over.
So, this arbitrage of diamonds are also gone.
All done, gone. Because once the exclusivity goes,
Correct.
you are not going to be in, unless you still don't know about land. It will take a long while for everybody to know about lamb god diamonds.
Correct.
And then the last guy on the line,
Once Tata opens, then it'll all be over very fast.
the last guy on the line
Yeah.
will come to know that it has no value.
Correct.
At that point, the value will become zero.
Correct. So this is what Anand has always said, that as an investor, a value investor, you should always keep an eye on the industry as a whole and look at the future horizon as a whole. As the world and global shift is happening, you as an investor should also know when it's time to exit and when to take your money off the table. This is a very good example for a lot of you who have been always asking us, how do you look at this? How do you evaluate this? This is a very good example which Anand has highlighted to us today. That the diamond industry and the semi-stone industry itself is a dying one. If you wish to be in it and still play in it, that is your choice. But for someone like me and Anand who has never been interested in this industry, we can now see why Anand has always been historically not interested in doing anything related to diamonds. I hope you found this video interesting and entertaining as always. Do subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification icon so you'll be notified every time Anand and me and Shashwat and our team have something new up for you guys. And do think about sharing this video with your family and friends if it's something they would be interested in. That being said, thank you for being with us on Be Rich today.
Thank you. I told you that I will be in Riyadh on the 22nd of September. The event place was not fixed. The team has now decided the event. It's in the holiday in Riyadh. Those who are in and around Riyadh and desirous of meeting me may contact the WhatsApp address below or the email. My team would get in touch with you. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.